Hi folks, if you are a housewife, don't be bored at staying home. I found some money giving apps and I am using it. The first app I would like to share is Ibotta. Yes, the household essentials like milk, egg, bread, bananas, toilet paper, etc. If you buy these things from the grocery shop like Walmart and Target, and if you submit the receipt through this app, you will get a cashback. This app includes more baby items, personal care things, and liquid too. Isn't it fascinating? Yes, it is. Every week they will introduce a new bonus. If you deplete it, you can get fast cash. Try it. The next app is Shopkick. The note of this app is no need to buy. Yes, just enter the shop, get cakes, scan the product barcode, and get cakes. Finally, convert your kicks into a gift card and use it. The last app is Checkout. It's same like Ibotta. All these apps have a golden ticket, that is the referral program. You will get more money if you refer your friends also. I just gave a brief of these apps. If you download and go through, you will get it. Better be a frugal than a miser. Bye bye. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel and support us.